Hello traders, my name is Victor Carr, portfolio manager here at swingtradefxsignals.com. In this webinar, we will just go through the quick overview as to what we do and how we do it. It won't be long, but just a short introduction of our activities so you know how things work here with us. First of all, probably I'd like to emphasize your attention on that what we do here is we trade. We trade real money, and our aim is long-term consistent gains. You will not be seeing many trades. We do only swing trading here. There is one pair euro-US dollar that we trade sometimes, more frequently, and the trade can be opened and closed within one day. That happens sometimes, but not often. It's only one currency pair that does it. Others are only swing trading, and as you can see now, this is our portfolio here. These are our open trades, all of them: Australian dollar, euro dollar, pound Canadian dollar, pound US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, and US dollar Canadian dollar. So 6 currency pair open total. This is, guys, what you have maximum open position in your account. So 6 total trades will be a maximum. There will be no more than that ever. Well, we might introduce the gold, but as of yet, it's only 6 currency pairs. Also, you can see a constant lot. The lot size actually can be adjusted by you as you wish. You can reduce, increase it depending on your account size and your balance. At any time, you can get into the live trading room and we can suggest you the lot that's supposed to be traded on your trading account. If your balance is low, the lot of course has to be lower. You can also reduce the risk by filtering the currency pairs. If you don't want to trade all the currency pairs, you can just choose, for example, euro dollar and pound Canadian dollar. There's many tricks that you can learn through our sessions, that how this portfolio can be traded in regard to adjusting the lot size and filtering the currency pairs. This is actually a good advantage, so you can create your own system within our portfolio. When you're just starting, you would need to put that trade copier on your account in order to copy all our trades live to your account. For that, you would need to attach the EA basically. That's just an example, and how it works. That's the trade copier. What you need to do is put your license number here, and on our website at swingtradefxsignals.com you will find a page to update your account number. You will need to enter your MetaTrader account number there, click update, and your license will be connected to your particular account MetaTrader account number. Then the pip deviation is how far the price can go away from our original entry price. You can find these answers in the frequently asked questions section. And the lot size, of course, is what you want to trade, what volume you're interested in placing on your account. Basically, it doesn't have to be one of course is quite high, so you might want to start a demo trading and see how it goes for you. Then here below that you can see all the currency pairs and you can filter them. If you put false, this currency pair euro US dollar will not be traded on your account. Or you can put few currency pairs false, so and you can only even leave one currency pair and trade just these currency pairs of your choice. So it's entirely up to you. Now in common, make sure that your settings are like that: enable alerts, allow live trading, ask manual confirmation should be unchecked, and allow DLL import checked, and allow import of external expert checked. So that's all. You place the EA. You can see that I didn't enter the receipt number, so it's not entered, so that's fine. It's just a testing. It's fine. So we're gonna remove that expert advice. So that's how you attach basically. Now every day we will do the analysis of all the currency pairs that we have opened, and we will try to introduce a new trading approaches, some trading system that could be used for you to trade manually if you wish to do that. You will be learning how we analyze the market and all basically the benefits of it. Now quickly I'll do some analysis on the currency pairs that we have opened, so you have some idea of what will be happening in the live trading room. First of all, we'll start with Australian dollar. You can see how many trades we have opened, and all of them currently are in profit. And profit is quite substantial. It's 340 pips here on the Australian dollar. So that's where our trade has triggered. You can see the date here. It was on the 5th, 30th. So that was actually right here. That was the trade triggered. And you can see that it has been open for quite some time, and even we had this drawdown here, but then trade returned back and went up in profit. What we expect from this pair is actually further uptrend, although the decline back to the breakout of this trend line is likely. So how far we will go is it's a big question. It could be a very long uptrend continuation for the Australian dollar, so we may not see these lows for a very long time, if at all. I think that this pair will continue rising, although some choppy market can be witnessed here. I would leave that for now because we're just doing this very quick session. Now euro dollar, we have of course a very strong resistance at 27.30. This is actually is a triangle that we're trading on. You can see that, and in order to continue the uptrend we would need to break this high here at 27.30 and continue the uptrend. I do expect that the euro dollar will continue the uptrend, and the target, my first target, would be 1.3, so it's another 300 pips from the current level. Although I'd like to make a point that my personal analysis has nothing to do with the trading strategy that we have. Our trading strategies are independent of my analysis. That's how it works. We will be analyzing independently all currency pairs, independently of our strategies. So that's a very good point. We can see how we go, and we can see whether our analysis corresponds to the performance. Moving to the pound Canadian dollar, that's another trade we have opened. You can see that what happened is that pound Canadian dollar has been trading in very choppy conditions here, up and down, and then we had a buy trade right here. The most important part is that we do wait for the trend, for the long-term trend. It could last from one day to a few months. We can stay in the trade for quite extended time, and you should be prepared for that. Now we are in profit, and potentially the market will continue uprising. Now breakout of this channel is indicating that we still have some potential here. Let's see, maybe we can use the trend line. You can see now here is also another trend line, and we had a bounce. So in order to continue, we need to break this high here. But what the market did is it did return back to the breakout of this channel here, right here at 159.90, and now we had a few bounces here, and it seems that we will start the uptrend from this point. In any way, let's move forward to the pound US dollar currency pair, my favorite currency pair. For some reason I really like it. So you can see there is lots of analysis on this chart. I will explain how I got all these lines while we are in the live trading room, so you can ask questions, and we can do it all from the beginning, so you can learn how to put support resistance lines in an very easy to understand way. You can see that I have two resistance lines right here, lying between 158 and 158.40 levels, and that actually would be my first target for the pound US dollar. Now the second target is lying between 159.90 and 160.20, and that would be the second target. So here is the deal. I think that pound US dollar will start uptrend. I mean, we'll continue this uptrend. We are already in uptrend. It's not just a correction. I think we're now in uptrend. So we will probably continue this uptrend at least to 58 level. So this is not so far away, 60 pips now. The next target would be 160, where we will need to see what will happen at this stage. If the market will break this level, then I would think that this is a long-term uptrend. So let's see the market reaction, what will happen next week or this week. Moving further to New Zealand US dollar, you can see that we had this trade open right here at 76.76 area, and now we are in a good profitable zone. So while we opened this trade, there was no drawdown like it was in Australian dollar. We went straight into the profit. We have two trend lines here, simple trend lines. Definitely there is some room for further uptrend, at least till the first trend line is hit. We would expect that to happen. If broken, we could travel further up to the second trend line. At that stage, more analysis needed. I would expect here a choppy market, some ranging conditions, maybe some more analysis, on this would be very interesting, how far we can go and to analyze the market at that stage. The final pair would be US dollar, Canadian dollar. Here what we can see is that's the daily time frame. We use mostly daily time frame to analyze, as you can see already. On the daily time frame, and there is a red channel here, downtrend channel, and the market did bounce right off the top of the channel. So what this could mean is either it was a high point for the long-term downtrend, it was just a correction, very strong correction and heavy correction, and I do believe that's the case. I do believe this was a correction, extremely strong though. It did hit many stop losses here. From this point onwards, I think we will continue this downtrend and we will break this low level at 98 area. So maybe some bounce back, of course it's possible. We will go up and down, some ranging from now on. Next month probably the downtrend will continue, and we do believe that this low point will be broken, will be taken out, and this is a long-term downtrend. Now to summarize, you can see that our balance now is $7,955 with an equity of 8,000, almost 9,000 actually right now. Let's go to the account history here, and so you can see what has happened in the past 4 months. Now that's our balance, original balance $5,000. Now our closing balance is $8,000, and our profit in equity already with equity is $8,000. So that's $9,000. Sorry for my mistake. That's $9,000 altogether. So 4,000 profits, which is 80% profit in several months. I think that's quite a good performance, and you can see all the trades here that we had. Some of them are with quite a big profit. Here we had closed 570 pips, 300 pips, 570 again. You can see that we do wait for this trends to come and hold the position to catch the major trend. So you can see the final profit here on the closed positions is $2,955, and our equity is $1,036. So that's, guys, how we work here. We will do more analysis, introduce various trading techniques, analyze gold, silver, stocks. We will do analysis on your request for your particular currency pair, and that's all what you get on the live trading sessions. I thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed our future trading rooms, our performance, and our analysis. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you soon in our live trading room.